All right, everybody. This is Josh Bayless, and you are on the Monday Night Mastermind. Today's March 28th, 2016, and I've got some really great training for you today. Um, I Over the weekend, it was let's see, it was Easter weekend this weekend, and for the last couple days, I have been struggling to get over a sinus infection, and you can still hear in my voice that my nose is just a little bit clogged, and but it's not nearly as bad as it has been. I got on some antibiotics, and things are moving up now. So I'm feeling better. I'm starting to get more work done, and I think that you guys are going to learn a lot today, because there's a few little hacks basically that I want to share with you, that you may not know about, that I've learned about pretty recently. Just because, being down and out, not being able to do anything, not really wanting to do anything. I've just been kind of searching online, and finding out, little hacks that you can do, that'll help, you know, uh, make your business run smoother. So the first hack that I kind of want to discuss with you is um, is uh, a way to make it so that people can like your fan page from your blog. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Well, let's see here. So I'll show you a couple of examples. I'll show you an example from my blog here at joshbayless.com. Okay, so um, let's see, where is it? There it is. Okay, so see, right here, people can come to my blog, and if they haven't already liked my fan page, they can like it from here. They don't have to go to Facebook and find me there and like my page. They can like my fan page from here, and they can also see the recent posts that I've done on my fan page. All right, so it's really a neat um, little hack that I actually learned that today, and I'm going to show you how you can do this for your blog or website. Okay, really, really easy. So what you do is, it's called let's see, what is it called? I was there earlier today. Let's go to Google and let's find it. So Facebook this page plugin widget. Okay, that should find us here, right here. All right, so if you go here, which is https developers.facebook.com/docs/plugins/page plugin. All right, or you can just Google it like I did. Use some keywords like plugin and widget, stuff like that. Okay, so anyway, you go here, and if you're logged onto Facebook, it'll automatically bring up your page here. Okay, but you can go to anybody's page and do this. So for instance, let me check something here. Okay. For instance, let's go to Facebook, and let's say I want to do it for the daily success quotes, and you don't even have to it doesn't even have to be your fan page, okay? This could be somebody else's fan page. So, for instance, I set this up on a mock blog that I'm, you know, I, my aunt is in network marketing also, but she sells uh, skin products, right? So I set up a mock website just to try out stuff like this, um, and uh, I used her network marketing company's page to do this. So you could do this with any page. All you need is the link up here, right? So you just take that link, you copy it, and you paste it here, right? And you'll see it changed. Okay. So and then there's a couple of things that you can do to um, customize it. Okay. So if you don't want people to see, you know, your posts, you just want, you know, the banner so that people can like it, you can just take out the timeline. Okay. So now it's just that. If you don't want people to see, you know, other friends that are in there, you can take out that. It'll just be that. You can do a smaller header. You can do, you can hide the header and just have it really simple. All right. You could do whatever. Okay. So for instance, if I wanted to put this on my website, and this is not Klaatu, this is an actual WordPress website. So we'll go to my dashboard. I'll show you how to put it in Klaatu also. And by the way, if you're watching this and you want to know whether or not you should get Klaatu or a regular site, like a WordPress site, I'm telling you right now, I mean, WordPress is great, okay? But it's a big headache. It still gives me a big headache. And it costs a lot of money to make sure that it's secure. It costs a lot of money to get uh, really good hosting. It you know, um, and it's a headache because sometimes you got to pay people to do things on it because you just don't know how to do it. And then if you mess something up, it could be a big mess. Kalatu, you can't really mess it. You can't mess anything up. And if you do, there's so much support there that it'll help you. You know. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to do this here. So I've got Genesis, which is a type of theme within WordPress. And so you go back to this page plugin, and you see down here, you know, we've just put in our link. I wanted to do this daily success quotes. You know, I don't want all this stuff. I just want it to be really simple so that people will like that page more. So you just click get code here. All right. And there's two things that you got to do. There's one code here that you've got to put. It says include the JavaScript on your page once, ideally after the opening body tag. Ideally after the open body tag. So it doesn't have to be, but ideally it should be. Okay, so if you're going to do that in WordPress, you're going to go to Genesis, and you got the header script and you got the footer script. And if you read this, this code will output immediately before the closing body, all right, tag. So this says it wants it in the opening body tag, but this is for the closing body tag, okay? It's okay, you know. Here it's in your header. It'd probably still work in the header, but I'm not going to put it there. I'm just going to put it right in here in the closing, you know, in the footer script. I'm going to save the setting there. Then I'm going to go to widgets. Okay. So the widgets here are in appearance. Go to widgets. And you've got your header here, and then you've got your primary sidebar. And you'll want to add a text, which is down here. And I'm going to add this at the bottom. So go here, and you take the second script now. You copy that. You go here, put it in there. You click save. And now it should be up to date. So let's go here. All right, so we keep going down here. Should be at the very bottom, right there. It's right there. All right, so people can like that. All right, just like this one, except this one has all the features on it. Okay. Another thing that I did while I was sick was I put this about me on my sidebar because I've seen some gurus out there do that, and I thought it was a good idea. And I found a really awesome gig on Fiverr that made 12 images that I had. It made 12 of them PNG images where the background is transparent. All right, so he cut out me. So this is a transparent picture of me, right? At least the background is transparent. He did 12 of those for $5. So I was really happy with his work. And if you're interested in doing something like that, contact me on Facebook. Shoot me a PM, and I'll give you his gig on Fiverr, so you can get that deal that I got. So it's a really great deal. So all right, where were we here? Okay, now, so you've seen how to do that in WordPress. So let me show you how to do that in Kalatu. Okay, so, and I've already done it. So I'm just going to show you where to put the scripts. All right, so that first script, you are going to put it, you're going to go to plugins and applications, and you're going to go to analytic codes, right? Analytics and code. And right here in the header code, you're going to put it, all right? And, there's really no other place that you can put it, so you just got to put it in the header code. It works, all right? So put it there, and then you also go to widgets, which is right there. See, it's a little different, in WordPress, you've got to find widgets. It's in appearance, and then you go to widgets. With Kalatu, widgets a little easier to find. It's right here, and then these are a little easier to work with. So you take the widget here and put it down there, right, or wherever you want it on your sidebar, right? This is the one I did before. See, right there, and actually, this is the one I was telling you guys about earlier. where my aunt's in a network marketing company. This is actually her network marketing one. I don't think she has a Facebook page up yet. So if you don't have an actual business page up and running yet, you might want to just go with your company's Facebook page for now. You know, I highly suggest getting your own Facebook page. And even if you just copy and paste all your company's uh, posts onto your page, at least it's your page, right? And I don't think there's anything wrong with that at all. Um, so yeah, once you do that, you visit site, and it just comes right up. So right there. So Jordan Essentials. All right. So it's as easy as that. So that's the first hack. Let's see. All right. So for those of you that might have just joined us, I just showed people how to um, create a little Facebook page widget where people can come to your page and like it. This is my personal fan page, and here's another fan page that I created. But you can see the difference in the widget, and you do that by going to Page Plugin. All right, it's a Facebook thing. It's developers.facebook.com/docs plugins/page plugin. All right. So, and you can do that for any Facebook page. If you want more information about that, um, the Monday Night Mastermind is automatically recorded, and you can watch the replay. So, the second hack that I wanted to show you guys is one that I learned again today, but it was from a training that happened over the weekend. Uh, and one of the industry's best, John Oakes, like one of his blog posts shows you how to download a YouTube video without any special software. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really easy, and this works for any YouTube video that you see out there. So um, let's go here. So let's say I don't know what that dream is that you. I want to download this video onto my computer, right? I want it on my hard drive. I don't want to have to get online to watch it. I want to be able to watch it even if I'm offline. All right. So all you do is you go up here, and I believe it's right after the www dot. You just insert 10 there. 1 0. And I got a little. I don't know what that dream is that you have. I don't care how disappointing it might have been as you've been working toward that dream. That dream that you're holding in your mind. There we go. So anyway, you can download this. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Let's see here. Okay, so if you go below here, you can see you can download it to really anything that you want. MP3, MP4, all you got to do is just click download and you're good to go. So that's a little hack that I thought was really interesting. I just wanted to share that with you. And another thing, while I was sick, I decided that I was going to finally update my Mac to its newest version, and I forgot what it's called. I think it's like, let's see here if I can find it. El Captain. All right. That's the newest version. of Mac. And when I did that, my video, my speed, which is this little video controller that makes the videos go faster, because if you watch as many videos as I do, you really can't stand watching a video at normal speed, because it's a big waste of your time. So a long time ago, I bought this Enounce my speed, um, and as you can see here, since I bought it, I've saved over 217 hours of time by using it. Okay, so it's a really vital tool, I think, in what I do, because I listen to so many videos, so many trainings, and I want to get the information fast. You know, some people just drag on and on. Hopefully, I'm not one of those people. I like to get to the point when I'm training. But anyway, Enounce stopped working with this new version. Um, and I looked into it, and apparently, you know, there's some security measure that doesn't allow it, and it doesn't look like it's going to be fixed. All right, so my speed doesn't work with Chrome, basically, and I guess it works maybe with some other browsers, but not Chrome. And I mainly use Chrome, so I was trying to figure out, you know, what I could do to speed up the videos that I'm watching. And I found this plugin, and it's called, um, let's see, we hover over this, see if it'll come up. Video Speed Controller. And it's a little plugin for Chrome. It's a Chrome plugin, right? Let's see if I can't find it for you guys. Gmail, not Gmail, Google. All right. All right, so Video Speed Controller, and you just click it and you download it. All right, it's an add-on, basically. All right, so I've already added it to Chrome, as you can see up here, and it puts a little box above your video, and you can set it so that you can, you know, make the videos go faster with different configurations. So you can configure it to whatever you want. Right now I configured it so when I press F, it goes faster, and when I press S, it goes slower. And the way to configure it is you just click on the plugin and click configure, and then you can change these keys. All right, so increase speed, I got on F. Decrease speed, I got on S. Reset speed, I really never use. Rewind, I never use. I just mainly use increase and decrease. All right. Now the thing is it doesn't work on. I guess it doesn't work on Flash, on Flash videos. So it's not like a complete fix, but it will work. It will definitely work. So if I go to YouTube, what's nice about YouTube is if there's a video here that, all right, so right here, you can see that it works here. But even if it didn't work, um, you can always go to YouTube and you can adjust the speed here on YouTube videos, okay? So if you remember that, then you don't really even need my speed at all, okay? But, you know, anyway, I still have my speed for, you know, those occasions that it does work. because it does work well. All right. So we're about 5 minutes out. I showed you 3 hacks so far. Let me think if there's another hack that I could show you in 5 minutes. Let me think. All right. Well, since we're in InstaBuilder here, let's go to plugins. I want to show you kind of a neat plugin. This Slipstream plugin here. It's kind of a neat plugin here. I'll show you what it does. I'll show you. I'll set something up here real quick. Let me add a new. Still thinking. Okay, there we go. All right, so let me show you how this works. It's really pretty simple. It's pretty easy. Let's go with let's make this bigger. Let's 36. No, that's too big. Let's go with 18. That looks better. Let's go with free samples. And let's put in a little. I'm not good at explaining things while I'm doing things. So insert image. Let's find an image to insert. Let's just insert this one. Just because it's there. I'd probably find a different one if I could, but for the sake of time, we're going to insert that one. All right, so put that there. Let's put a little call to action here. Oops. All right, and then all right, so let's do this. Click that, and show for 10 seconds. Show after 1 second. Let it come out there. Light. Let's do that. All right, let's try that. So we're going to save draft. And let's see if we can preview it. Looks like I got to publish it to preview it. So I'm going to publish it. All right, so, and then I'm going to go to, I can't believe there's not a preview here. All right, so let's go. and it should be coming up. There we go, right there. So see that? That's a slide, and actually it doesn't have to be that intrusive. You've got some options here. You don't have to have it full width. Let's try that, see how that looks. Kind of running over on time, but basically you see kind of how you can use that to kind of get somebody's attention right away. And you can make this clickable, and it can go wherever you want it to go. Um, so it's just really neat. So anyway, I appreciate you guys, coming out here on the Monday Night Mastermind. Be sure to stick around until next week, because I've got some really, really good things coming up here. I wanted to start the renewal of my product, the 12 Steps to Online Success, this week, but it didn't happen. Next week is the plan to start that. So be sure to be here next week. We're actually going to start at 7 instead of 7:30, and we may go a little longer than just a half hour. So I hope you got some value out of this. Again, if you got here late and you want to see how I did all these hacks, I shared 5 hacks during this webinar in 30 minutes. Then be sure to click the replay, and you can get the replay as soon as it uploads automatically to YouTube. So the link that you got here should automatically update. If it doesn't, find me on Facebook, and I'll make sure to get you the replay. So goodbye, everybody. Take care and God bless, and I will see you in the next video.